Hello, welcome to Majestic School. Today in our chemistry class, we are going to deal with properties of matter. We all know that matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. And in talking about properties of matter, we are talking about the characteristics of matter. In dealing with these, there are two major properties of matter. We have the physical properties, physical properties, we have the physical properties, and we have the chemical properties. Now, looking at the physical properties, the physical properties are talking about things, the behavior of matter in different areas, like the boiling point, the melting point, density of that matter, the hardness of that matter, the malleability of that matter, the crystalline form, we can go as far as mentioning the odor, the color, even the taste, and so on. These are examples of the physical properties. Every substance has a unique boiling point. Every substance has a unique boiling point. Every substance has a unique melting point. The density of substances are quite different and unique. The hardness of substances are also different. It's not easy getting substances that have exactly the same physical properties. It's not that easy getting these substances that have exactly the same physical properties. The malleability of substances are also different. The crystalline form are also different. The odor of substances are also different. The color, the taste of these substances, they are quite different. All substances show different properties or characteristics, as we may say, in different ways. Now let's go on to the chemical properties. The chemical properties of matter. The chemical properties of matter. Until substances react, we may not see their chemistry. We may not see their chemical behavior. until they are found in a reacting system. If an iron do not rust, we may not know that this substance called iron has a property that allows it to form a dusty cloud or a dusty cover around the iron. So one of the chemical properties of substances which we can easily see is the iron rust, or the rust formed by iron. The rust formed by iron. The rust in iron. Then we have ashes when papers are burned. Ashes when papers are burned from burning papers. So these are a few examples of chemical properties. The thing that separates the two major, the physical properties and chemical properties, is that in chemical properties, you realize that new substances are formed. New substances are formed. New substances are formed. The ashes, we can't get paper back again. It's not easy to get paper. Once you set fire on your paper and it's burnt completely, it's difficult to get your paper back. So we'll say here that the substances that are formed, the new substances that are formed in relation to chemical properties, they are irreversible in most cases, if not in all. The rusting of iron, for us to get iron again, is difficult. It's not that easy. So we have here physical properties, we have chemical properties. Physical properties, we have all the properties of substances that we can observe with our eyes. We can taste them, we can handle them, we can touch them, we can hear the sound, like metals. If you hit a metal with a string, if you hit a metal, usually metals gives off a sound, a sonorous sound. That is one of the physical properties of most metals. And we have chemicals, chemical properties. Chemical properties, new substances that are formed are majorly different from the substances that those new substances are formed from. Like the ashes is different from the paper. The iron rust is different from iron. So this is the difference between chemical properties and physical properties. They are quite different. The rust is different from the iron, and ashes is different from the paper in chemical properties. New substances are formed in chemical properties, and in physical properties, we don't have new substances formed. We just observe certain changes that occur, or certain behavior, natural behavior in them. And some of these behavior in chemical properties are due to reactions in major cases, due to the reaction of substances on another substance, or spontaneous reaction that they naturally go through. Like some fruits in chemical changes, chemical properties, some fruits like apple, when you bite into apple and leave the apple for a few minutes in the air, you discover that the color will start to change. You begin to oxidize. So that change in color is a chemical change, because it's difficult for you to get your apple back the exact way it was in the original form. Thank you very much. I want you to share our video. I want you to comment, like our video, and subscribe to our channel. God bless you, and so that we can do more videos like this. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.